Hey there, I'm out in some hilly terrain in central New York, and today I'm going to be doing some shed hunting. This is some awesome public land. It's a big area that I'm going to be exploring, like just one section of it. It's not formally spring, but today's going to be almost 70 degrees here in New York. This is by far the most snow we've had melted since I think like December. We have not been able to see the ground since then. Hey there, I'm getting out to one of my spots I'm checking out today, the southern slope of a big hill. I've actually been over to this area. I saw big tracks out last season while I was hunting here. Also, I've already seen like 5 deer today. They were on southern slopes, but they were closer to like where I parked on the road. I've seen them over there quite a bit, and I think that it makes sense that they're there. GameSearch didn't call it out specifically. I did see a lot of droppings over there, and I also checked out a lower elevation area. Saw a lot of droppings there as well. So the deer have been, I mean, they've been all over this place, but hopefully I'm going to get into an extra active area. Currently, I've been just kind of charging along. Most of the areas I haven't had much snow, but I'm getting into some snow here. I'm hoping that when I get to the southern side of that slope, that potentially the snow eases up, and then I can move a little bit faster, and I can see sheds probably a little bit easier too. Terrible. Oh my gosh, I've been traveling through this stuff and it's just a pain. I'm tempted to believe that this is good stuff for deer and that they're gonna enjoy the cover, but like it's just so hard to move. Yeah, I've been making my way to another area, but like I keep looking over here and I'm tempted to just kind of venture in because it could be good bedding. But yeah, it's just super thick. I can't really travel through it, and I have a theory that maybe the deer can't either because there's still a lot of snow here. I'm guessing the snow in this area, in this thick stuff, was like probably about 3 feet deep, which would be really gnarly for deer. So yeah, it's unfortunate I can't even check it out, but yeah, it's just been, these things are getting stuck in my head and on my face, and here we are back to the trail after that detour. And this is what I'm talking about. This stuff, it looks like could be a beautiful area for deer, these pines and stuff, all that thick understory. And I know they are in there occasionally, but versus like this side is much easier, and I do have a logging road that I'm on. Okay, so I just wanted to show off what I'm working with as far as like game search results here. As you can see, we're looking at the GameSearch-AI map. The spot number 2 is this one that's centered on the screen right now, and I'm right on the western side of it. So yeah, I'm hopefully going to be finding some bedding where I can like really figure out where these sheds are. Hey, so I just checked out a bunch of the area up like this way. This is the top of the big hill. I'm technically still on the southwestern side of the area where I'm looking. I'm seeing more tracks actually going off into the woods behind the camera. So that's my next option, is probably just to like scour those woods a bit. And then I'm gonna head down that way, which is closer to the road that I came in on. It's gonna put me further south and down the slope. What the spot is really emphasizing is that there might be a good sign on the southwestern side. So that's kind of where I'll be going more to now. It did highlight a lot of flat areas, which is what I've been kind of looking through, but there was a lot of snow on that mountain slope, and I think the deer probably have been staying away from there for a while. Hey, so I've been walking this road here for a while now. I've been kind of watching to see if there's any tracks going off the road, and I haven't seen a whole lot. I find it kind of interesting how the snow's melting here. The melt is a bit like sporadic. It's not like there's consistent areas where a lot of snow's gone. It's really just like here and there. If there's been a lot of snow, perhaps like an open canopy, then that's not going to be melted. Where I'm headed right now is into these woods over here. I think that's going to lead me out to a bench where there could be some more deer activity. Okay, so I've been cruising around a bunch. I checked out a bunch of the area around the benchy area where spot number 2 was. Overall, just like not the best showing of a spot. I think if you kind of think about like a south facing slope in central New York during the winter, I think the big problem is if you don't have enough cover over there, it's not going to be a good deal. So they're really just not going to be able to get out of that wind. Over there really wasn't a lot of cover. The cover that I could see over there was really at the top of the hill, and the top of the hill was a bit too thick for me to check out. It technically, I could consider that like southwest of the hill's summit, but I wouldn't quite say that was where GameSearch was pointing me to. My next bet is to head over to spot number 1. Spot number 1 is typically the highest priority. I didn't choose it first because I had basically a different route in mind. What we're looking at is basically a mosaic of different timber patterns. So I've got like, it looks like there's some clear cutting over there, and then also some pine plantations. So yeah, just kind of looking at that area. There are south facing slopes over there too, but there's more cover right nearby, so hopefully I'll find some more deer over there. Hey, so I'm out right on the edge of the spot number 1. I think the spot is really good. I'm kind of in like a patchwork of different types of cover. So right here, this is pretty open field where around it is a bunch of conifer bedding. So they've got thermal cover on one hand, and then over here I'm hoping this is like there's a food sources for them. In this field I have not seen many tracks. I saw more tracks like on the outside of this whole area. So I'm wondering if maybe the primary thing is these conifer forests. I'm not sure exactly how I want to shed hunt this. I don't particularly feel like grid searching the whole area, so I am just gonna kind of wander through, hopefully kind of zigzag a bit through some of these pine forests. This is a pretty good find here. Pretty nice deer trail. It's kind of leading out of this this pine thicket here, so I definitely want to go check out the pines, but I'll follow this deer trail a bit and see if it branches off or anything. Well, I've decided probably gonna stay away from this field as much as I can. Yeah, look at these thorns. They just go right through my clothes. So yeah, it's gonna try to minimize my time in this field here. This is a lot better in here. Yeah, I'm just gonna sweep through places like this mostly, looking for places where it looks like deer been bedding. I just got into another one of those thermal conifer areas. The pines are blocking a lot of that sun. There's some droppings there, tracks. I keep seeing tons of deer sign. I saw tons of like signs of bedding activity, feeding. I think it's really just a matter of searching the entire area. So hopefully I get lucky, because I do need to move on a bit. I'm coming down a northern slope. I just saw a deer run away. So this is like a really tight pine forest. It's been good even with it being north facing. I don't think deer have really minded staying here. There's a lot of sign. So this is what I mean by how active this area is. It's probably the most active one that I've seen today. But I mean, there's just, these are all frozen tracks. Looks like a stampede going down this way. Well, I found something. It's not exactly a shed, but let's see. Oh, cool deadhead. It's actually a pretty decent sized skull. Here's a look at the teeth. I'm not able to age by teeth at all, but maybe other people can point it out. Man, the cool thing about this, here's where the antlers were. So now I'm wondering, if the antlers were on this deer, then they should have been shed at some point. So this deer died like maybe since January, a couple of months ago. That is interesting. This thing is honestly pretty nasty. This deadhead is recent enough that the antlers had shed. So that's like within the last 2 months, I think. Just considering the shape of the deadhead, I don't think I'm gonna take it, but that is an awesome find. Really happy I found the deadhead, just to say like I was in a spot with some bone in it, and yeah, onwards and upwards. Let's try and see if we can find an actual shed, or maybe even this deer's antlers. Hey, so I'm headed really towards spot 3 now. I'm trying to kind of get out of here a little bit earlier than like dark. It's currently around 3:30 or 4 o'clock, so yeah, just gonna kind of be skimming by point 3, doing a quick line through there and then calling it a day. It's been probably 9 hours of hiking now, so yeah, getting pretty tired. Need to go eat some food, I would say. So the main thing about spot number 3 is that it's a transition point from the bedding areas I'm just coming from over to the downhill slopes. I'll of course look, I'm going to go down that hill towards my car, so I'll of course look for sheds and stuff on the hill itself, but I'm mainly going to be trying to go through that like upper contour and then just like the benches like near the edge of the steep area. I am just getting into the spot number 3 area. I've been walking through it for a bit, but here I am close to the downhill area. I'm just gonna walk kind of quickly along the edge of this for a while, see if I see anything. Basically, I'm looking to get lucky. If I don't see anything, I'm just gonna head to the car. So, you know, I'll either see you with a shed, a deadhead, or I will see you at the car. So. I'm trying to work my way down there. Surely will follow my ass doing so. Super cool. I gotta see if I can cross. Looks like there's a log I could cross, but I'm gonna try and jump over here, see how that one goes. It's not gonna work for me. I'm gonna go cross up a little higher. All that's next for me is a hike up this hill up to the road, and then I gotta walk to my car. So that was a wonderful day of shed hunting. I have put in like 10.5 hours today. I found some great spots, tons of deer sign, but I just wasn't able to connect on an actual shed. I did find a deadhead, so happy about that. It was a cool one. If I want to come back out here, I have to like see if GameSearch can give me some renewed recommendations based on the findings today. I didn't really like spot 2. Spot 2 is just sort of like, it didn't really have any advantages. And I really like spot 1, and you know, so I'm curious where else it can send me. Some of the areas down low were actually, they looked like they had a lot of sign. Thank you for watching the video. If you've made it here, we appreciate you, and hope you use GameSearch. Hope that you subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.